Hi there, welcome back. In this video we are going to see what is DHCP server, what is the use of it. So DHCP server, called as dynamic host configuration protocol. DHCP server automatic assign IP address to network devices. Network devices means your computer, your mobile device, the printer device, whatever device which required the IP address. DHCP server will provide the IP address for them. All right, so let's take a look how it works. When you power on your machine, your computer, it discover for the DHCP server, right? Discover, so it look for this DHCP server. So DHCP server, it is in listening mode all the time. All right, so once DHCP server will offer the IP address to your computer will tell, okay, give me this IP address. So it will send request packet to the DHCP server. DHCP server will send acknowledgement to the DHCP client. DHCP clients mean your computer. Okay, take this IP address. All right, so this is how it happens, how your machine get the IP address. So that's it. Let's see you next video.